Hi, it's Julie. Welcome to my channel. I am Scrap and Happy. I need to show this to you. It's truly one of the coolest things I've ever done. And I am rather enamored. It is Amity Bloom. And it is the vintage envelope. Alright, here's the journal cover. It is an envelope, front and back, and then it's got a little spine built in. So here's your envelope, and then it's got a couple of different options. You can do some ephemera download and little tags and some papers, and it's just really neat. But what is so cool about this is how you bind your pages in. And I don't have, I'm sure this is not the right size, but it's close enough. So it is smaller than the regular 8.5 by 11 folded in half. But that is not even. Okay, so here I'm going to fold this thing in half, and then okay, this is your page. Okay, and what you do is, well, of course I didn't do it right. It's not the right size, but my little spine is too big, so you glue it in like that. Does that blow your mind? I've never ever in my life. So the trick is you glue one on this side and then you glue one on this side so that they're even and weights distributed, etc. But it came, I got the little ephemera kit, and here's a receipt. 1896, and some little cards and things, little paper that matches, and this back here. But it's just cool. But the thing was, I was so intimidated, and that's so weird because who is sweeter in the world than Amity Bloom? Nazzie's got this sweet voice, and she's so encouraging, and all I could do was worry that I was going to mess it up and she'd be mad at me. So anyway, I did it. I did make some mistakes, and I went back and fixed them. For example, I glued this completely down, not leaving a pocket. So my printer's weird. Sometimes it prints something out twice, and sometimes it doesn't print it at all. So I happen to have two of these. So I added another pocket on top of what should have been a pocket. So I was able to, and then this was also in the ephemera pack, this paper. So I was able to make some tags and things. Okay, so I've lost my train of thought. This piece of paper here I left it full size and just scored me a 3/4 inch on this end that would fit in the binding. So can't see it going through, but there's 3/4 inch laid down in the spine. And then I folded it, lined it with some deli paper, and made a little paper clip. And this is cool. Oh, I was holding that down while the glue dried. It's, I have some really wide washi tape. I got it at Daiso last fall, and I thought that was pretty. And then I think that is actually deli paper on the back of the, whatever it was. This is from this calendar here, which I have on here to cut the glare. So what you do is you get your papers ready, and then you do your little 3/4 inch spine, and then you put one in this way. Hold on. For the first page, and then you put your next one in this way so that it's to the back, and then you just back and forth like that. And you only really need about 6 pages, because I mean this is plenty. It's got plenty of stuff in it. She's using hers. She's writing letters to herself. I don't know that I will do that with mine, but you just never know. So I've got some coffee dyed paper and some the brown deli paper in here. Some Artie Mae's Belly Band, grape roses from Ellie Wilder. Good grief. Elsie Bell's Bookshelf. And some of JD's stuff. Her collage pages. And this little thing here came in the kit. It's a French little tag. And then there's another little tag here. Oops, up here. Receipt. Some more of this calendar. An envelope made out of Elsie Bell's paper. And look at this. This is really cool. This is also Amity Bloom. I'll have to find the link, and I can't even remember what it's called, but you see the heart here. Right there. Okay. It's really cool. Make sure I don't do it the wrong way and break it. Okay. Good grief, did I glue it? No. Alright. So it's an envelope, but it's got a heart closure. I did glue it. That's what the problem is. And then it just opens up. You can. This one has something in the bottom that came, but I just put the paper over it. I liked it better. So you can write inside. I kept it a pocket in the back, and then it's just so cool. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to break it, because I clearly am coming in at a bad angle. And then I just added an envelope with some paper, some hearts, another one of those banner paper clips, another page that has the deli paper on the back. And this one, it's the full page, only this side with 3/4 of an inch folded in, so that it's big. You can open it up and journal a lot. Oops. And then this is the inside of an envelope. Isn't that pretty? I love peacocks, so and then this piece is parts. Oh, that goes somewhere. Where? Okay. Okay. Anyway, I needed to show you. I will link the video also of her making, introducing us to this kit, and then her actually making it. I just watched with my mouth hanging open. Went, downloaded it, and I did it. But like I said, I made some mistakes. But I also want to show you this sweet, there's a couple of them in here. It's a doily download, and my friend Serene from Singapore sent this to me. And I think they're beautiful. And so I wanted to put that there. Still not sure exactly what I'm going to do with this, if it's going to be for me or someone else. But it will be more journaling space, whoever it's for. And then let me see, here's the other one. That's sweet. All right, that's it. I'll put the links. Y'all go look. It's just going to blow your mind. All right, y'all have a good day. Thanks.